What's up guys, Francis here. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this easy method you can use to make money online. Alright, and the cool part is that everybody can literally do this, and this is worldwide available. Okay, as you all know, I mostly share worldwide methods on this YouTube channel, okay, that you can use to make money online. Alright, all you basically need is either your mobile phone or your computer, okay, and internet access to get this method off the ground. Alright, and also this method is completely free. Okay, all you basically have to do is to perform 1 or 2 tasks, alright, that you can easily do, alright, to start seeing results and start making money for yourself. So if this is your first time on stopping by on my channel or watching my videos on YouTube, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods and strategies, and I also document my experience, okay, in terms of making money online on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos like this one and you enjoy it also, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, okay, tap on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I come up with new videos. That way you don't miss out on anything. Alright, so you stay updated every single time I put out juicy content just like this one. And if you have any question for me, put it in the comment. Alright, and I'd love to know how much you love to make on a consistent basis. Let's say when you start making money online, how much you like to make every single day, so I can make future content, alright, tailored to your goals and your goals alone. Alright, give this video a thumbs up to show your support, and also in the description of this video there will be links to some resources I can mention in this video, or some helpful links that can actually help you in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive right into my computer and I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make money, okay, using this easy method, all right, that you can do. Maybe you can just spend like an hour or 2 every single day, okay, and you'll be seeing the results from performing these tasks. Now this task was actually inspired by a friend of mine called Investor, and I can't wait to share with you guys because it is actually valuable, and I know you're going to get a lot of results doing this particular method. So let's jump right into my computer and I'll be sharing with you guys the good stuff. Now let's get started with this particular method. The first thing you want to do is right here on Google, okay, we just want to come over to Google and get started. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just run a quick search, okay, because I was actually making some search on Google already. So I'll just make a quick search. I'll just type in real estate Michigan right here, and I got a bunch of search results right here. Okay, so we can target actually business, any business, okay, in any district, okay, but I prefer top tier countries, especially the United States, because some of them, most of the businesses there can actually afford to pay for certain tax, and they understand digital and online marketing as well. Okay, so once you come here, all right, there are a bunch of businesses and listings right here which you want to help business owners, okay, to get to the first page of Google, which is their goal. Okay, a lot of businesses want to get to the first page of Google because they can get organic they can actually get organic traffic, free and organic traffic they don't have to pay for, okay, which will actually lead to more business for them, and they can make more money. And you know, with real estate, when they can make one sale, okay, it's actually a high ticket product, okay, because when a real estate agent or a real estate company actually make one sale, okay, it means a lot of money to them, or they can make a lot of money from just one lead. Okay, so you want to help them get to the first page of Google by selling them SEO services. Okay, so what you will now do is, let's say I just run a quick search right here. I can come to page 2 or page 3 or page 4 or up to page 10, okay, and encourage businesses that we can actually help them to get to the first page of Google. All right, but we can just stick to, like, maybe let me go to like page 4 or page 3, all right, and see businesses that are on this particular section right here, okay, and we can send them a message, okay, by just hitting on their contact page or getting their emails on their website and sending them a message telling them how we can actually help them, all right, to get to the first page of Google, which is very, very important. Okay, so if I just come right here, let me click on Michigan. Let me just click on this one right here. I don't know, this one just caught my eyes. So when you open this particular website up, okay, you can see just like I made mention also in my previous videos, you see this Facebook pixel hopper. This is actually fired up right here. That means I see they're actually doing something on Facebook. Maybe they're running an ad or so, or maybe they're doing some retargeting. Okay, so what we can basically do is, you can see, can actually help them secure this site. We can also copy this URL of their website and go over to Google and just search WooRank. Okay, WooRank is a tool that can help you analyze a website, so we can just analyze their website and see what is wrong with the website first, and see how we can help this business owner. Okay, so we can just paste it right here. Okay, we just open up WooRank.com. We can just paste the URL of the website here and try for free, and we can see some of the things that is wrong with the website. Or we can actually use developer.google.com/speed/page speed/insights. Okay, so we can just actually paste the URL right here and analyze the site. Okay, this is what we want to do at first. Okay, because we want to know the reason why they are actually ranking what's their number on Google right now for Michigan? Number 4. Okay, why are they ranking in real estate Michigan? They're ranking number 4. So we want to see some of the reasons why they are backward. Let me use that word. Okay, so you can see right here, WooRank actually brought their own score, okay, their own SEO score, and gave them a ranking of a score of 53 on their website right here. And there are other reasons why their site is not performing very well on the search engine called Google. Okay, so we can actually help them fix some of this problem right here. You can see they're having indexing problem. Okay, there are a bunch of problems right here. We can actually screenshot, okay, and send to this business. Okay, so we can help them fix the problem right here. Okay, also taking a look at Google, okay, developer.google.com, okay, the assessment from Google themselves, okay, their mobile version of their site, okay, is scoring 19, and you can see 0 to 19 is red. Okay, it's on a negative, so this is poor. All right, and when we take a look at the desktop, okay, it's above 55, which is good, fairly good. And you know, most people who are searching for certain things might also be on mobile. All right, so it is advisable for their site to work very well both on desktop and mobile. All right, which will actually help their ranking on the search engine. All right, we'll actually come to this platform, okay, which is developer.google.com or WooRank, and do some screenshots. We just want to get a proof that their site is faulty. Okay, and before we can begin working on their SEO on their site, okay, we want to show them some of the problems it have and get them to consider to give us the job. Okay, so we can just come right here. You can see the email address right here. You can copy this, or you can maybe send a message or call this number, or I prefer sending an email actually. So, or come to this contact us page and send this business owner a message. Okay, you want to send them a message showing them the screenshot you've gotten from all these pages. Okay, this analysis you've gotten about their website. You want to send it to them and tell them that it is part of the reason why they are ranking number 4 on their keyword. Okay, let's say real estate Michigan. Okay, that's why they are ranking number 4 on this keyword. That can help them get more lead. If they are ranking number 1, okay, can help them get quality lead and free and organic clients. Okay, so they don't want to be paying for ads all the time and so on and so forth. So there are huge advantages being on the first page of Google for certain keywords. Okay, for certain major keywords, okay, in your industry. So you want to make them understand that. Maybe you can just record your screen, okay, going over it on video, or maybe you can just send them the screenshot and tell them you can actually help them with it. Okay, that is the basic thing you want to do. Now, when they give you the tasks to do for them, when they say, okay, they're willing to work with you, what you can now do is to go over to SEO Clark and look for people who can do SEO. Okay, this is the platform you want to be. You want to just come to SEO Clark and look for expert. Okay, people can perform SEO tasks for you. Okay, for cheap amount. Okay, you can see this person is charging over $400 for SEO to help, okay, skyrocket your gambling website to page 1. Okay, this is for gambling website. So you can actually look for somebody that is good right here on SEO Clark for them to help you get this business to number 1. Okay, so you can charge this business owner between $500 to $1,000 or $2,000, okay, for this particular tax. And it can also be on, you can also put them on a retainer where they pay you every single month and all that. Depending on your negotiation with this business owner, you can actually get money from them, then flip it right here. On my previous video also, I also made mention of job servicing, which is actually a cool business model. I love it so much. That is why I'm making video on it, and it is one of the best and easy way, okay, a beginner can also get started. Just like affiliate marketing that I love so much, job servicing also work effectively well, and you can get started with it because you're actually providing value to people, just like affiliate marketing, and you are helping people solve certain problems. Okay, So you can come to SEO Clerk and give people these tasks to help you handle, or you can hire a professional company or a professional entity, let's say like an SEO company like Devlomark. Okay, this is actually owned by Ron. Okay, Ron Moreno. Okay, he's actually the owner of this particular company right here, and they can charge between $1,000 to like 10 upwards to like $10,000 to perform this task for you. So if you want to flip this, if you want to drop service this, all right, you have to contact them and negotiate a deal with them, okay, before going out there to look for people to work for. Okay, and there are a bunch of other SEO companies that are actually good and reputable that you can work with. Also, if you don't want to you don't trust people right here enough, okay, you can actually go for other reputable SEO companies that you can strike a deal with, so that when you get them people to work for, when you get businesses that you want to work with, okay, that have paid you, or that you've charged, or that you've sent an invoice and they've paid, all right, you can contact them and give them the tax to handle for you, okay, and which you'll be guaranteed, because they are actually a full business, or they're a company that are reputable, and they will want to make sure your job is done properly, okay, so you don't have any problems with your client. All right, so this is one of the best ways you can do this particular method, and it's not that hard to do. Okay, all you have to do is just to take action and start looking for businesses on Google. Okay, and you can rinse and repeat this process over and over in different industries and in different cities, different locations. It can be in Europe, or it can be in Australia, or anywhere around the world, but you want make sure you want to target people or locations that they easily understand what you're talking about and they can pay for those services. All right, so I want you to watch some of the videos on screen right here. Okay, and if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I put out my next video. Okay, let me know what you think about this in the comments, and until next time, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye for now.